This is the definitive guide to resolving the frustrating issue of PSD thumbnails and icons failing to appear in Windows 10 File Explorer. I personally encountered this exact problem and after extensive troubleshooting, uncovered multiple effective solutions that I'm eager to share with you right now. First, we address File Explorer options because Windows sometimes defaults to showing generic icons for performance reasons, overriding visual previews. By specifically unchecking Always Show Icons and enabling Show Thumbnail Previews, you directly instruct the system to generate and display those crucial visual representations for your PSDs. Next, updating Adobe Photoshop is critical. Outdated Photoshop versions might not correctly register their file types or thumbnail handlers with the operating system, especially after Windows updates. An update ensures all necessary codecs and shell extensions are current and properly integrated, allowing Windows to correctly interpret and render PSD previews using the latest Adobe components, maintaining crucial compatibility. Then, we move to clearing the thumbnail cache. Windows stores a cache of thumbnails to speed up File Explorer browsing, but if this cache becomes corrupted or outdated, it can prevent new or existing thumbnails from displaying correctly. Clearing the cache forces Windows to rebuild it from scratch, generating fresh, accurate previews for all files, including your PSDs. Finally, installing a dedicated PSD codec is often the most robust solution. Windows by default may lack the specific software required to interpret and render PSD files as visual thumbnails without Photoshop being actively involved. A dedicated codec provides the operating system with the necessary instructions to read and display these proprietary file formats directly in File Explorer, enhancing native support and ensuring your designs are always visible.